I'm reading.
Are you reading a comedy?
No, I'm not.
Are you reading a romance?
No, I'm not.
Are you reading an adventure?
No, I'm not.
Are you reading a tragedy?
No, I'm not.
Are you reading a science fiction story?
No, I'm not.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a cookbook.
Two silly goats. Once upon a time, there lived two silly goats in a village. A beautiful river flowed through this village. There was a narrow bridge across the river. One day, the two goats were at the two ends of the bridge. They both wanted to cross the bridge. Only one goat could cross the bridge at a time, but the two foolish goats were very proud. Each wanted to cross the bridge first. They started crossing the bridge from the two ends at the same time. The two goats met in the middle of the bridge. There was no place for them to cross each other. The silly goats started pushing and fighting with each other. The bridge was very small, so the two goats fell from the bridge. They fell into the river and drowned.